money online selling t-shirts. Hi guys, what's going on? Too blessed here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can quickly make your own t-shirts and start selling it and making money online. You can be selling, you can be making t-shirts like these that you're seeing right now. It's very easy. I'm going to show you everything, how you can start doing all of these things right now. So guys, that is it. I'm so sorry about the noise that is coming in right now. I know the fan is blowing, there's a noise coming from the sitting room, and I'm so sorry about all of those noises, man. So guys, please pardon me for that. So guys, look at all these courses that you're seeing here right now. I know you will know who is Gary V is. You know who Dino Gomez is. You know who Sam Ovon is, Grant Cardone. All these guys, Tyler Page. You see all these guys online. They are doing awesome and very big thing online right now. And these are their courses. How they are the courses they put together that they are selling. Some of them are selling for 1,000, some of them are selling more than 1,000, some of them are selling for 500, 100, and so like that. So all these courses I have here right now, you see courses in affiliate marketing, you see courses in Shopify, drop shipping, you see courses on running Facebook ad agency, you see courses on YouTube, you see courses on real estate from Grant Cardone, you see different courses on Gary V. All these courses, I'm going to show you how you can get these courses if you stay to the end of this video with me. And guys, don't forget, if you've not subscribed, pause this video right now, click the red button down below, subscribe to this channel right now, like this video right now. Let's get this video to 10,000 likes right now, and also let's make this video trending video right now by liking it. Comment down below this video, let me know what kind of video you want me to do next. Ask me any question down below right now, and my email is also going to be down below for you to email me or follow me on Facebook so that you can be able to contact me and all that. So guys, so let's get down into business. Let me show you how we can quickly do this right now. So guys, so what we're going to be doing right now quickly is we're going to be going to Teespring right now. Some of you, if you've been a little bit in the online industry, you know what Teespring is all about. I'm going to drop a link below this video right now that will show that you can click the link right now and it will take you to this website that is Teespring right now. So when you get to Teespring right now, all you just need to do is sign up on this site right now. You see, log in. I'm logging. If I'm not logging, I'm logging on the other side right now. You see my name. This is Trubler. This is my email right now. You can email me on this email right now. So you can sign up right now, and once you sign up, you just click, look at here right now, it says start designing. When I click this start designing right now, it's going to take us to a page where we can start designing our t-shirt right now. Guys, see, you don't even have to be a designer to start designing t-shirt on this website. Very simple and very easy. You can start designing this design very easy and very cool. I'm so sorry about this thing slowing down right now. My internet is very slow, that's why this is taking time to load up. So it's going to come up right now, and it's going to take us to where we can design our t-shirt right now, and we can release the t-shirt online right now, and you can start making money with this t-shirt. You can run Facebook ads to this t-shirt, run Google. You don't have to do that if you don't have the money right now. You can do this that I'm showing you right now 100% free. But if you have a little bit money that you want to, that you can spread around, you can run Facebook ads to target people who are in the niche of this thing that you're doing, of the t-shirt right now, so that you can quickly make sales fast right now. So guys, so I just click switch to, I don't want us to use this, so I want to switch to the normal interface that they used to have, so we can design our website, we can design our t-shirt. I'm going to show you how you can design a very simple website, something like this that you're seeing right now. See, this one just said I love Amazonia. This is not my design, but it's one of the design that is here right now. And guys, these guys are making thousands of dollars on this site already right now. So guys, all you just need to do is come to this website, sign up, and you're gonna be fine. You're gonna start selling your t-shirt on this website. You can sell this t-shirt. Okay, so here is the t-shirt right now. This is the t-shirt. This is the male t-shirt. If you want to change the t-shirt right now, you can come here right now. You can use long sleeve. It's gonna give us long sleeve right now. If you don't want to use long sleeve, here's long sleeve. You can use long sleeve right now. If you don't want to use long sleeve, you can see, let's choose black long sleeve. If you don't want to use long sleeve, you can design tank top for female. If you don't want to use tank top for female, you can use hoodie. One of the things I love most on this site is their hoodie. I love the hoodie so much. Hoodie. I love their hoodie so much. So you can design the hoodie right now, and you can, guys, so you can pick whatever you want to design for men, you want to design for women, or everything is here right now. Everything is here already right now, guys. So I don't want this to be too long right now, so let me just quickly, this is the hoodie. It's going to show you, it's going to bring you, okay, see the hoodie right now. So all you just need to do right now is, I said we want to design a simple t-shirt like this. I love Amazonia. So let's just write I, okay, let's write I, let's leave that, let's click out of it. That's, let's click I, let's click out of it. I love, then you go to art right here, you say browse art. So what we want to do is we want to get this art, this love art that is here right now. That's what we want to get right now. So let's say love, let's type love there right now. Let's search for love icon. It's gonna give us it's gonna bring the love icon right now. So guys, I'm so fast right now, I don't want this video to be too long right now, but all these things right now is so simple right now. My internet is also slow, so that's why I'm really fast with this right now. So it's really slow right now. With this love that I type right now, it's supposed to bring a bunch of love icon here right now, and we can pick one. It's loading up right now, so we just pick one of the icon right now, and we're gonna put it on there, and and we're gonna start designing right there. Wow, this is I'm really so sorry guys, man. And if you don't even have an idea of what kind of, okay, see, it's loading up right now. You know, you can use all kinds of videos. See, these are love sign. It's going to bring that love, but it's really taking time. So let's just use this purple love icon here right now. You see, yeah, it's giving us the purple icon, the purple love icon here right now. So you reduce it right now. To reduce it, let's click out of it. Let's make test. So what we're going to write now is Amazonia. So we type Amazonia. So that's it, guys. So we type Amazonia there right now. So I don't want us to write the same thing that guy wrote. Let's see if we can so let's just leave this like this. We can change the font of this, you can change the color of this, you can leave it like that. You can change the color of the text, you can change man, guys, I won't be able to do too much with this design. So let me just this is the design that I just did within how many minutes right now. I did this, and all you just need to do right now is to click sell this. We said you sell this, they're going to sell this $18, and when they come on this page, you can also go right here. See, they said this t-shirt is going to be sold for $46.98, and they are going to take just less than $19 what they are going to take. The rest of this money is your profit. So that is it, guys. So let's just say next step. Let's just say next step right now. So if you also want to get idea right now, you can come to Amazon right now. Just type t-shirt there right now. Amazon is going to give you t-shirt idea. You can search for t-shirt idea on Amazon, and they're going to give you t-shirt idea. You come, you copy, you replicate the design. Look at our design right now. Although this is very rough right now, guys, man, but that's it. So you can also come to eBay if you want to do a very good t-shirt design that maybe you're not good at graphics and you want to do. Look at design that this guy can design: $15, $35, $5. They can do all these things for $5, for $60. It depends on what your budget is. Even this guy that goes $60, they can still take the $5-10 from you to design for you right now. And when they give you the design right now, you just take the design from them and come and put it on the t-shirt that you have right now. Instead of you writing this very little thing, just put your t-shirt design here right now, and that is it, guys. You can come to here to ask them to design for you. You can come to Amazon to get idea of the t-shirt that is really trending, that is selling very well right now, and get ideas from them. guys. So that is it. You list your t-shirt and you're gonna start selling your t-shirt. So guys, thank you, and email me right now if you want the any of these courses that I said they are available.